Hi everyone, welcome back again to my Vlogmas. If this is your first time of you joining me on here, I'm saying welcome to my channel, and to my returning subscribers as well, welcome again to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how I'm gonna make my bolognese stew or bolognese sauce. So this sauce, I'm just gonna make use of my new meat Mince. So this is not a review. I'm just trying to use it, and then I'll give you my honest feedback on this meat Mince appliance. Yeah, let me just say appliance. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just cutting out all the shin from the beef, and then I just want to have this kind of plain beef, but there's no way there's still shin in between the beef. It's called, I think in Nigeria, this kind of beef part is called ijase. I don't know if I'm right, but there's this part in the cow thing, or in the cow, that has a little bit of shin in between, so they call it ijase. Anyway, so the next thing I'm doing is I'm trying to just mince it. The thing is, there's this small blade that comes with it, so I had to change it to the one that is a bit big, that the hole is a bit big, guys. This thing, anyway, I'll give you feedback later. So what I'm doing now is I'm just mincing everything, and then after that I just set it aside. I'm gonna put all the ingredients that I use, I'm gonna put them in the description box so you can actually check that out. So it's a kind of very quick sauce. In fact, it was so quick, it's just less than, let me say, honestly, it's less than 30 minutes for me to prepare this sauce. So I've listed all the ingredients that I used. So the ingredient that I'm using the minced beef, obviously, and then this is the everyday seasoning. In here I've got my curry, I've got thyme, and then I've got basil as well. And then the next thing that I have is chicken stock Maggi, and then I have my pepper mix as well. So in the pepper mix I've got red bell pepper, I've got scotch bonnet, I've got onions, and I've got plum. So I blended everything together. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this sunflower oil spray. I'm just going to spray that into the pan, because I'm going to be using pan anyway. I don't want to use pot. So the next thing I did is I poured in the minced beef or minced meat, and then I make sure that I keep turning it until it is brown, like what you're seeing right now. So make sure that it's well cooked before you transfer anything that you need to put in. At this point I haven't put any seasoning, it's just there, like there. So the next thing I did was I transferred everything out of the pan. I had to put normal oil just to make the sauce, just to, you know, fry the pepper and everything. And the first thing I did was I fried a little bit of onions. You can actually, you know, if you don't want onions, or if you don't eat onions, you can just leave that out, but I just put in onions just for that extra flavor. And then I added my pepper mix. Right now I'm just adding the Maggi stock and then every other seasoning that I've got on my plate. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix everything up together, and then I'm going to leave it to, let's say, like cook for at least let's say 5 minutes, because I'm still going to transfer the minced beef back into the sauce. So I want everything to like get into the beef, because the beef is not seasoned anyway. So, and then I added the bay leaf as well, just for that extra flavor, extra tason in everywhere, you know. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to leave it on for after transferring the beef, I'm going to leave it on for, let's say, 10 minutes for just the beef to get really cooked, and then to soak in all the, you know, all the sauce, all the ingredients and everything. So that's what I'm just going to do. It's a very quick one basically, and I'm just going to cover it and let it cook, and then our minced bolognese sauce is ready. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all in my next Vlogmas video, fingers crossed. So if you're watching my video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And yeah, just share with your friends, drop that comment. Thank you guys so much for watching my video so far, and I really love you guys so much. Bye guys. Mwah.
Very Merry Christmas.